camera, okay. Frank, hold this for a second.
Videotape.
Videotape this, please.
Just, you don't even have to touch anything.
Alright.
No, you cannot touch your face is going to kill your ass.
Hi, Frank.
Yeah, come on, we're going to do it. This won't hurt, believe me. Just lay down on the floor.
No, we're not going to help you.
We're going to swing you. No. Yeah, no,
I don't trust, don't touch
no, wait, believe me.
Get the ball, get the ball!
He's kicking my nuts. We're like hogging.
You're not.
Let go of me!
I'm throwing!
I'm like running off. I gotta like go on my feet so that she's like, I gotta put my feet. Good job, Frank.
Look, I went like this.
Come on. We just want to swing you. It'll be fun. Come on, we won't hurt you. What, you trust us with piggyback rides? Yeah. Oh, no piggyback rides anymore. Fine. No more. No more. Sorry.
If you give me a piggyback ride, you're going to like it.
I'm not going to the couch again. That's a good point. No, come on. Then let us swing you or you're not getting piggyback rides. I'll give you a piggyback right now. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, Hector, please. Or you're not getting any more piggyback rides. Yep. More piggyback rides, please.
Girls are so.
Get it!
Ew! Why you guys sit on me, huh? Get it! I'm gonna beat you off with my hands! Holy shit, get my God, Fernando! These little disgusting. I got him!
Hector, what do you have to say after beating up 2 girls?
Want to take my back? Come on! No, come on! No! Then let us swing you. Come on! It'll be fun. Look, she's holding your legs, I'm holding your hands. We'll swing you with that. We're not going to let you go. Yes, we try. No, come on! You trust us with
Did you guys try to, like, just wear 2 gray shirts? Or?
No, I've also worked your house in the cold. Come on, please, Hector. Hector, please.
Hector's now sad.